Good morning, student. Today I am going to start chapter 1, Computer Hardware. A computer system is made up of many components or parts. Each component performs a special task. All the components work together to operate a computer system. There are some components such as keyboard, mouse and monitor which you can see are present outside the computer system. However, there are some other components that are present inside the computer which you cannot see. Also, there are other components that can be seen partly from outside. So, in this chapter or in this topic, you will learn about various hardware components that make up a computer system. In this video, today I will only discuss about input devices. Input devices. Various hardware components that make up a computer system can be broadly divided into three categories: input devices, output devices, components inside the CPU box. Input devices, output devices and components inside the CPU box. Now, I am going to discuss about input devices. In computing, an input device is a piece of equipment used to provide data and control signals to an information processing system, such as a computer or information appliance. Example of input devices are keyboards, mouse, scanners, cameras, joysticks, microphones, light pen, graphics tablet, barcode reader, touchscreen and MICR. Now first I am going to discuss about joystick. A joystick is an input device which is used to change the position of the cursor or any other object on the screen. Joysticks are popularly used for playing video games. This is the joystick image. So I hope most of us we use this one when we are going to play any video game. Next input device is that light pen. So this one is a light pen. A light pen is also an input device. It is shaped like a pen. A light pen is connected to the VDU. VDU means visual display unit. It allows the user to draw or point to object on the computer screen or the monitor. Through light pen, we can draw or point to object on the computer screen or the monitor. So this is the function of light pen. Another input device is microphone. A microphone is used to input sound into a computer. It helps in recording our voice or other sound. I am recording this video through a microphone because I want good quality audio sound. So this is the reason behind of that I am using microphone. So microphone is used to input sound into a computer. It helps in recording our voice or other sound. Next input device is graphics tablet. A graphics tablet is an input device. It is used to draw images and pictures on the computer screen in a similar way as we draw pictures with a pencil on paper. A graphics tablet consists of a flat surface on which a user can draw using pen-like drawing device called stylus. Graphics tablets are of great use for capturing the handwritten signatures of people. So through graphic tablet we can perform many tasks, like we can draw image. The image quality is very high and we can create excellent image through graphics tablet. And normally graphics tablet use, those are normally doing those are the graphics designer, or nowadays teachers also use the graphics tablet to prepare their presentation. So graphics tablet nowadays very useful gadget, and so graphic tablet is an input device. Another input device is barcode reader. This one, barcode reader. This one, barcode reader. A barcode reader is a device used to read barcodes. So what is the function of barcode reader? A barcode reader is a device used to read barcodes. A barcode is a pattern printed in lines of different thickness that can be seen on many products. A barcode reader interprets these lines to input the information of a product into the computer system. Barcodes are widely used in supermarkets for recording the sale of item quickly. Another input device is that touch screen. A touch screen is a touch sensitive computer display screen that can also act as an input device. It can identify the presence and position of a touch inside the display region. Touch screens are easy to use and are often found in public places such as ATMs, ticket collection terminals and airports. Nowadays, widely it is used. And in our topic, the last input device is MICR. MICR stand for Magnetic Ink Character Recognition. It is a special type of device used for processing checks in banks. The number code at the bottom of the checks are written using a special ink called magnetic ink. MICRs are used to read this character. So today I have mentioned that today I will discuss about input devices. So already I mentioned I would discuss about input devices. So today up to this, in next video I will discuss about output devices, and after that I will discuss component inside the CPU box. So today I give full focus only about input devices today up to this.